Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful soft bone straight silky hair. All right, with that said, let's go straight into the video. To achieve this look, you're going to need one pack of braiding hair if you're using the big size of the braiding hair in order to achieve the crochet hairstyle, or two packs of braiding hair if you are using the small pack of the braiding hair. So once you have your braiding hair, the next step is to decide the length you want your braiding hair to be. You can cut it into 4, into 3, into 2, depending on the length that you want. Just go ahead and cut it with your scissors. And the next step now, we're going to be getting rid of the blunt end. I'm on my tongue. We're going to be getting rid of the blunt end by pulling a little bit of the hair at a time away from the blunt end, as you can see right there. Once that is done, take a brush and brush the hair through. You want to make sure it is completely, okay, completely tangle free for the next step. You don't need any knot, any tangle on the hair. All right. So once you're done brushing the hair, you're going to take a piece of string or some of the hair and tie it at the fold over point of the braiding hair. Okay. So this will give you something to hold on to for the next step. So we're going to be dipping the hair into hot water, and you do not want to burn yourself. So that's why you would need a string or use some of the hair to tie the middle point of the braiding hair, so the fold over point of the braiding hair. All right, so moving on to the next step. In the bucket I have warm water. First thing first, I'm making sure to soak the braiding hair with the warm water before going ahead to pour in hot water. So you can dip this into hot water if you prefer that, but for me, I just wanted to ensure that the braiding hair is completely soaked in the warm water before going in with the hot water. So also you can add a hair conditioner to the water if you want a beautiful, nice scent or smell once you are done with the braiding hair. All right. So I'm going to be washing this hair again once I'm done. So that's why I didn't add the hair conditioner into the water. So right now I'm going in with a cup and I'm serving some of the hot water and I'm pouring it on top of the braiding hair. And I'm just gonna let that and then let that run down the braiding hair. So I'm pouring the hot water on top and just let the water run down the braiding hair. Again, you can dip the hair directly into the hot water, then pull it out. I just prefer doing it this way. So whichever method you prefer, go ahead and do that. So once you're done dipping the hair into the water or pouring the hot water on the hair, the next step is to take it out of the bucket and dry off the excess water using uh, your towel. So you want to put it on your towel and gently squeeze out the excess water. Okay. So once that is done, the next step is to let the hair air dry completely. Do not brush the hair while it's wet. You need to let the hair air dry completely before going ahead to brush it. So once the hair is completely dry, you can take your comb, you can take your hairbrush and brush it through one more time to get rid of any knots and or any tangle that might be in the hair. And once that is done, your braiding hair is pretty much ready for your crochet hairstyle or for a box braid, whatever you want to use it for. It is ready at that point. So for me, I'm going to be turning mine into hair wefts. So stay tuned for the video. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and so that way whenever I post the new video, you will get notified. Okay? So yeah, this is it. This is it right here. This is the final result. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay